Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here to introduce you to a pretty much brand new company called F150. They established in the year 2020 and they are releasing their first rugged device or first rugged smartphone. And I use quite a lot of rugged smartphones on this channel. This one is called the B2021. They come in a Sahara and rock color, of 8,000 milliamp battery, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, an octa-core processor, the Helio G25. It'll be running on Android 10 software. It'll have the PowerVR GE8320 GPU as well, a 5.86 inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 720p, and that'll be protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So the phone looks similar to other rugged devices that I've had in the past. It's 18mm thick, 1.8 centimeters. I imagine it's going to be quite heavy, but if you look at the back, it has a quad camera setup. I quite like the horizontal element there with the 4 cameras side by side. I think that looks pretty cool. So one of the lenses is an 13 megapixel AI camera, 13 megapixel main, 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor as well. Video capabilities, you can shoot up to 1080p on the rear and the front cameras as well on the phone. And the B2021 is also IP68 rated, IP69K rated. Basically it's water, dust and shock resistant. There's also NFC on the smartphone, so you can use it for Google Pay as well. Comes with an 18 watt fast charger to charge an 8,000 milliamp battery. So it's quite refreshing to have a brand new phone manufacturer doing rugged smartphones. Let's see if they can do anything better or anything different. In terms of contents in the package, you obviously get the phone itself, you get a Type-C cable, a charger, SIM tray ejector tool, a warranty card and a quick start guide. Pretty typical with most smartphones. So you can get this from AliExpress or Banggood, and I think the starting price is around $109, which is super cheap and affordable for such a rugged device with decent specs. 6 gigs of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, octa-core processor, decent specs. But obviously, depending when you are looking to buy this, prices do fluctuate quite a bit on some of the budget devices. And I think normal retail price is around $199 as well. So check the links in the description below, guys, if you want to take a further look. Pre-order them if you wish. But it looks quite a nice phone, and can't wait to get my hands on one if I can. And I'll put it through some of my own tests as well. But thank you very much for watching, guys. Please pop any comments down below, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.